Crash course on Switzerland. Cultural festivals and traditions. Switzerland is a country rich in cultural heritage and vibrant celebrations. Its diverse regions boast a tapestry of festivals and traditions that reflect its history, folklore, and local customs. Let me share some fascinating stories and examples to excite you before we delve into the top 12 attractions of cultural festivals and traditions in Switzerland. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Cow Parades of Interlaken. In Interlaken, locals decorate cows with colorful flowers and parade them through the town, celebrating the return of cows from their summer alpine pastures. 2. The Battle of the Queens in Valais. Each year in Valais, cows compete for the title of Queen of the Herd, in a friendly battle that involves intricate grooming, decorated bells, and crowning ceremonies. 3. The Fête de l'Escalade in Geneva. The people of Geneva commemorate the failed attack by the Duke of Savoy in 1602 with a weekend of historical reenactments, processions, and traditional food. Top 12 attractions of cultural festivals and traditions in Switzerland. 1. Basel Carnival. Basler Fastnacht. Experience the vibrant carnival celebrations with parades, masked participants, and traditional music in Basel. 2. Sechselauten in Zurich. Witness the traditional spring festival featuring the burning of the Bug, a snowman effigy, to welcome the arrival of warmer days. 3. Montreux Jazz Festival. Immerse yourself in the world-renowned jazz festival held annually in Montreux, where international musicians gather to perform. 4. Locarno Film Festival. Attend one of the oldest film festivals in the world, held in Locarno, showcasing a diverse range of international films. 5. Zobolemerit in Bern. Join the onion market in Bern, where the city is transformed into a vibrant fair with onion decorations, crafts, and delicious onion-based dishes. 6. Lucerne Carnival. Fastnacht. Enjoy the lively carnival parades, masked balls, and musical events that bring the city of Lucerne to life. 7. Unspunnen Festival in Interlaken. Witness traditional Swiss sports, including wrestling and stone throwing, and immerse yourself in alpine traditions. 8. L'Escalade in Geneva. Participate in the historical reenactments, processions, and enjoy the traditional pot of hot chocolate and marzipan vegetables. 9. Fête de l'Opé des Chaux. Experience the authentic mountain festival in Les Diableries, where locals celebrate their traditions with music, dancing, and local cuisine. 10. Fête de l'Oiseau in Sion. Celebrate the Festival of the Bird, in Sion, where parades, folklore performances, and concerts highlight the region's cultural heritage. 11. Alphorn Festival in Nendaz. Listen to the enchanting sounds of the Alphorn during this festival, showcasing the Swiss tradition of playing this iconic instrument. 12. Paleo Festival in Nyon. Attend one of Europe's largest open-air music festivals, featuring a diverse lineup of international and local artists. Summarizing this writing, Switzerland's cultural festivals and traditions bring the country to life with colorful parades, historical reenactments, and vibrant music. From Basel Carnival to Montreux Jazz Festival and Zobolemerit in Bern, there is something for everyone to experience and enjoy. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural tapestry of Switzerland and create unforgettable memories. And now, a poem celebrating Switzerland's cultural festivals and traditions. In Switzerland, where traditions thrive, cultural festivals come alive. From Basel's Carnival, a joyful dive, to jazz in Montreux, where talents thrive. Zurich's Sechselauten, a fiery sight. Bern's Onions, a market of delight. Lucerne's Fastnacht, a spirited flight. In Interlaken, cow parades ignite. In Geneva, l'Escalade's historic tale. Nendaz's Alphorns, their ancient wail. Sion's Fête de l'Oiseau, a colorful trail. Switzerland's traditions, they never fail. From Unspunnen to Paleo's grand stage, Switzerland's festivals engage. A tapestry of culture, a vibrant page, where joy and tradition forever engage. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our NHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.